Hi friends, Doge, wow, outperforming the entire market, extremely bullish price action, fantastic, cracking up past previous resistance and creating it as support. Everything that you want to see, or is it? Bum, bum, bum. Well, there could be a potential little pullback here for us with regards to Dogecoin, but overall, I'm bullish. Let's run the intro clips, and it gives me a second to say to you folks, if you hit the like button, it makes this life as a YouTuber so much better and more satisfying. I really do appreciate it. Please, if you like what you see, hit the like button and then join me for a live stream. As you can see here, this is filmed during a live stream, so come and join me for one of them sometime. Okay, so here we have it back in the charts, right? What are we looking at with regards to Dogecoin? Couple of things. This high up here, very, very nice. Pushed up the way in the face of an overall negative market. Yes, we did see a pullback like everything else kind of did, but this, wow, outperforming everything in the hours afterwards. Absolutely rocketing, fantastic. Or is it? Well, this high that came in, while it was very much higher than our previous high, it was 37 and 40 is higher, it wasn't enough higher compared to the lows that we've had for us to be able to say that we did it with momentum. Okay, we had the momentum coming up to here. Our previous momentum brought us up to the overall highs. Have we got the momentum to carry on through right now? Well, we potentially do, very much do, but we need to see the prices maintain a couple of key areas. This mess that's in the background is a couple of things. Ichimoku cloud here, although on this chart it's not so supremely obvious that that's the Ichimoku cloud. I'll just drop down a few seconds so you can see more cloudiness. There you go. So there's your Ichimoku cloud. And so we've got the Ichimoku cloud over there, and we can see that there's this green line here, right? And that's one of the areas that we want to stay above, and that's part of the Ichimoku cloud. But if we actually do drop down the way we're looking down to 29, and that would be an absolutely satisfactory bullish higher low. Okay, that's what that would actually be. And if we see this turn down the way, then we'd be coming down towards the 21 EMA. Natural enough to do, and we tested it a couple of times during our most recent drop down. Why are you talking like that, Rocky? In the face of, a green 4-hour candle that just kind of started rocketing up in the last couple of minutes here, really, doing very, very good. Why would you be talking like that, Rocky? Well, it's like this. As I said already, 37 to 39, when you're looking down at 25 up to 40, sort of 30, 39, isn't actually fan-dabby-dozy. And the way that that's represented here is with this high on this peak here, and then a much lower high on this subsequent peak here. And as you can see, downward sloping ADX here. Well, we've got a couple of key things haven't happened up above the 50 zone, the 60 zone. In fact, way up here, generally speaking, you see pullbacks on assets when this occurs, unless it occurs again. And we're down below the 40 line and testing the 30 at the minute. So if we do drop below the 30, then that's where we'd be heading. Okay, so then that means that your best buy price at the minute is going to be in around about 30, managing risk with regards to where the cloud is. Looking down the way here, saying 25 is probably not worth carrying on your positions for until such times we've resolved everything. We do know that we could come down and retest the 50 simple average, as prices are often want to do, by the way. But what we want to see here is either we get to push on up the way and then we get a pullback, because it's highly likely this remains bearishly divergent all the way up the way. And however, we don't have this confirmed yet. We haven't taken out key areas, and I'm going to be looking down here and saying, well, if we actually take out 33, all the threes, then this will probably be confirmed as bearish divergence. Then we'll probably go on down that subsequent next 10%. There's also then anybody's guess as to whether we go down a whole additional sort of big chunk down to 21 at that stage. However, I would be looking for a bounce overall, right? And that's the TA on this one. Yes, it's very, 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 very good. And we do actually have very, very bullish. I mean, like I say, where am I looking to then for the next highs up the way? And they'll be coming in. I reckon, Doge could even see highs of 58 cents. Okay, that's cool. That could happen. But I've given you all the warnings that you need to know in the meantime. Likes and subscribes really do help. Like I say, really appreciate it. Right. Cool. Nice one.